Welcome back to AI Knowledge Guru. Now we will learn pie chart in this topic. What is pie chart? A pie chart is a representation of a values in the form of slices. So you can see these slices. So this is a slice, for example, yeah. With different colors. Sliced are labeled with description and numbers and corresponding to each slice as shown in the chart. So for example, if we discuss this one example, yeah. So it's very easy to use the pie chart because it's a good visualization, especially if you wanted to become a data scientist, you wanted to visualize your data set to someone. It's easy to visualize pie chart. Plus, because it's graphical, it's got colors in them, so it's more attractive. So you have univariate, bivariate, multivariate data sets. So pie chart you will use only when you have univariate. That's very important. Okay. Now let's discuss how do we create this chart. So for example, in this we have white people, yeah. How many white we have? So the white is represented with the blue color. So 37.7% you have the white people. This total sum is equals to 100%. And you represent this as percentage. That 45% of the share of the circle is this. So when you create a circle, you have a slices, and that's why we call slices. Each represent each data which you wanted to discuss. Hispanic, you have the red one. So if I'm visualizing this data set, I can see that Hispanic got more, like more in quantity. They are in more in quantity, whereas the white people after that, the orange and green are roughly the same. Asian and African are the same, and others are is the yellow line. This is the yellow line, and that's 0.3%. So pie chart is very simple to create. You can create in Excel, you can create in Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is better tool to use for this purpose. We will discuss in later videos how to use Power BI as well. So let's come back later on and discuss further in the next tutorial.